Okay, now we're in the Gocator web interface. We have the scan of our golf club. So today we're going to be showing how to use the new Surface Blob tool to identify defects on a particular surface. So we have our golf club here. We scanned it in 3D. You can see a height map located here. First thing we're going to do is try to flatten this surface in order to identify the defect. So we can see there's a dent here. If we zoom into the 3D view, there's a clear indentation on my golf club right here. So what we'll do is we'll flatten this surface using our built-in surface curvature tool. So when we go to our tool, we do our surface curvature and we can see that it's flattening out that surface. So it's making it as flat as possible, which will allow us to quickly identify regions that are higher or lower than the flat surface. Now that we've done that, we can apply a surface blob tool, in which we're going to apply a reference region and then our search region for where we want to find these surface defects. So in this case, we can see that automatically it's picking out this little dent here that I have here. And we can even see here on the right how deep that defect is in this case. Not only does it give us the number of defects, but also the location of the defects along with width and length. So we can apply some decision filters based off of this and give a decision and output, min and max, to say if this region is failing or if it is passing. So this is very effective if you need to identify defects that may be randomly located on this particular surface.